Welcome to Smart English, the channel that makes learning English fun, easy, and smart.
Here, we bring you real conversations from daily life, at the cafe, in the office, traveling, and more, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
With every video, you'll learn new words, expressions, and speaking tips, all through simple, smart conversations.
So if you're ready to improve your English the smart way, hit subscribe and join us today. Smart English, learn fast, speak smart.
The conversation is at the grocery shopping.
Oh, sorry. Did you want these apples?
No worries, there's plenty for both of us. Do you always go for the green ones?
Yeah, I love the sour ones. What about you?
I'm more of a sweet-tread kind of guy. Guess we'd never fight over apples.
True, we'd make a good team. Green for me, red for you, grocery, shopping on a Saturday. Bold move.
Yeah. I usually regret it the moment I see the checkout line.
Same, but I never learn. I always come at the busiest time.
Maybe we like the chaos. Makes us feel less alone in our bad decisions.
Or maybe we just procrastinate until the last minute. Do you ever get overwhelmed by the number of cereal brands?
Every time, like, do we really need 25 types of cornflakes?
Exactly, and half of them taste the same.
No. There's a science to it. Some stay crunchy longer in milk.
Oh, wow, spoken like a true cereal expert.
Years of research, countless bowls. I should have a PhD in it by now.
Okay, serious question. Chips or popcorn?
Chips, 100%. You?
Popcorn, it feels a little healthier, even though it's covered in butter.
See, that's where you're wrong. Chips are the ultimate comfort food.
Guess we'll never share snacks. How?
Or we just buy both and solve the problem.
That works too.
Do you cook a lot? Or just survive on frozen pizza like me?
I cook sometimes, but frozen pizza is definitely my backup plan.
Thank you. People always judge frozen pizza
Well,
lovers.
they're missing out. It's quick, cheap, and reliable. What more do you need?
Exactly. It's the superhero of lazy dinners.
Do you ever come in for just one thing and leave with a full cart?
Every single time. I came for milk once and left with 3 bags.
Let me guess, snacks, frozen pizza, and cereal.
Guilty as charged. You must be psychic.
No, just experienced in the art of impulsive shopping.
You know, running into someone makes grocery shopping a lot less boring.
True, it's nice having someone to laugh with over cereal and chips.
Maybe next time we can tackle the chaos as a team.
I'd like that. We'd cover all the essentials: green apples, red apples, chips, and popcorn.
A perfect balance.
Well, it was nice bumping into you, Alex.
Likewise, Emma. See you in the snack aisle sometime.
Deal.